a little nervous because some of my great heroes are in the room. And I am a survivor of incest, sexual assault, and 3 rapes, and about that I have no shame.
I support the Victim Rights Law Center because it's the first national nonprofit to help victims of rape and sexual assault truly stabilize and rebuild their lives.
I support the Victims' Rights Law Center because I feel as a group they are very compassionate about helping a really select group of people who are in need.
We chose as a team to support victim rights because they speak for the unspoken.
I feel like at a time when somebody is in such pain, they need someone else to speak for them.
Somebody, like Sue said, just needs a place to go and needs somebody to speak for them and needs to know that there's support and help there for them, and somebody who will understand and be compassionate and not judgmental and make them know that they're okay and that things weren't their fault, and it's just a great organization to be part of.
It's very important for survivors of rape and sexual assault to have access to an attorney, because an attorney standing by their side, believing them and helping to represent them in the criminal system, in the civil system, in an academic disciplinary hearing can really make the difference for a survivor as to whether or not they stay in school, they stay in their jobs, or they stay in their homes.
The more access that they have and the more they know that they're not alone and there's somebody there for them that's going to understand and not judge them and embrace them and help them in every way, the more they're going to come forward.
One of the things that has touched me the most in working with them is the impact they have on the youngest survivors. It's hard to even talk about it. Survivors 12 and under.
When you do go through a crisis, you often turn to your family, and this type of a crisis, the whole family goes through it with you, and the whole family needs help, and the whole family needs to figure out how they're going to get through this.
It's something people don't like to talk about. No one wants to bring this to a conversation. It's not something they'll chat over dinner.
An attorney is really important to help a survivor stabilize and rebuild their life after a very traumatic event.
They need someone to act on their behalf, to intercede on their behalf, to get them back to a state of healthiness, to get to justice.
So to the Victims' Rights Law Center and all of the great people who work within and without the agency, for those who give your financial and social support and your voice and who believe, thank you for not abandoning Kiki and me and all of the survivors. Thank you.